A forgotten legend waits beneath the dust.
Deep cleaning begins at micro level.
Identity begins to reappear.
Time has taken its toll.
Hidden beneath neglect lies potential.
The restoration begins now.
Preparation brings movement.
And just like that, she's perfect. What a beauty.
Step by step, it returns. A new chapter begins.
From ruin to precision.
Control is regained. The surface begins to breathe. True color returns.
Layer by layer, it cleans.
Care restores what time erased. Details demand precision. The surface is revealed.
Clarity returns to the surface.
Inside tells its own story.
Space is cleared for renewal.
Complexity begins to unfold. Hidden damage comes forward. Clean foundations are essential. Assessment guides every step. Preparation defines precision. The structure reveals itself. Fragile parts require care. Every detail is preserved. The old system is removed. Years of buildup dissolve.
Stubborn layers begin to give way.
Clean metal reappears. Corrosion is stripped away. A fresh surface takes form. Preparation refines the base. Protection begins here. Time allows strength to form.
Every step is measured.
The heart is removed for rebirth. Every connection is carefully undone. Precision brings stability. Order defines reconstruction. Internal precision is revealed. Core components are freed. Contamination dissolves away. Clean parts must be dry and precise. Perfect surfaces are restored. Shine returns to precision. Foundation components restored. Precision restores motion. Engine rhythm is rebuilt. Structure becomes whole again. The heart regains its brilliance. Support systems are dismantled. Strength is purified. Protection is applied. Stopping power is restored. Control systems return. Foundation is purified. Protection seals the base. Energy pathways restored. Circuits come alive again. The heart returns. Precision completes the return. The core is locked in place. Flow paths restored. Temperature control restored. Surface perfection begins. Every curve refined. Imperfections are corrected. Balance is restored. Preparation completes purity. Precision protects perfection. A new surface is born. The transformation is now visible. Perfection begins with preparation. Color is reborn. Layer by layer, identity returns. Depth emerges in color. Every edge is perfected. Protection seals perfection. The surface becomes perfection. Time locks in beauty. Precision is revealed.
Perfection is confirmed.
Surface refinement continues. Brilliance begins to emerge. Surface becomes reflection. Perfection achieved. Clarity is restored. Detail complete his identity. Form is restored. Inside begins again. Control returns to the driver. Comfort is restored. Control is placed in hand. Systems come alive.
Everything aligns.
Life flows back in. The moment arrives.
It lives again.
Balance is achieved. Perfection is sealed. Every detail matters. Rebirth begins outside. Beauty is reborn. Every angle perfected. Craftsmanship revealed. Inside perfection lives.
A masterpiece is complete.
From abandonment to perfection.